today's vlog, we are going to Carnival and try some rides for the first time. And the kids' first time. Let's see Sophia's reaction and others' reaction in their first time on the rides. And first time playing some Carnival games.
That's it. That's the 100 pesos.
This Paskuhan sa Lanao del Norte 2025 started December 16 to 31. A 2 weeks event with Christmas decoration, daily events, food and drinks, and then carnival rides and games.
So guys, we're here at the ride. Hoy, what are you doing there? She's sleeping. Pia!
Big Christmas tree. Hi, Flutter. Sophia. Hi. Hello. Dahil sayo naman.
So, muloog na mo diri sa MCC.
Wow. Come on. Come on. You can do it. Yay.
Bye! Pia, go get! Go get na! Kanai mo kaya cold na. Yan yan. Tala-tala.
We're eating. Bon appetit. Wow, here's the carnival. Sophia, do you want to ride? Ferris wheel. So they're paying some entrance ticket. Sophia, are you happy? Yay! There's a lot of people. Ay, pagnganga. We are going! Oh my God! Hello, magkon ka ta na tita! It's a lot of games.
I paid this game for 7 rings for 20 pesos. All you have to do is shoot the ring to the bottles and then the drink is yours.
Wow! So nice. Hello, katudang dragon coaster. Wow! Hi, Capybara. Oh, Sophia, na Minecraft, oh!
I don't know what this game called, but this is throwing some 1 peso coin to the colored boxes, and each box have prices indicated. The coins needs to be at the center of the box.
Usa! Ayaw mo inayapon!
Okay, so we're going to ride this one. This is 100 pesos per person. So I paid for me and Rian. Unfortunately, Sophia is not allowed to ride here. And the reason why I decided to ride here to see and vlog the rides from above because I forgot to bring my drone. It would be nice if I have my drone.
Oh my gulay.
Oh my God, first time.
Ululu.
Hello.
Hi.
Oh my God. It's so high. Oh my God. Turning. Uy, 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 uy. Ay, mahadlok ka. Hi guys. Hello. Hi Sophia. Oh my God.
Hello.
Sophia. Hi Pia.
Dayon. Inig na og. Wala to? That's it. That's the 100 pesos. Taikak yung gayo. Kapod. Kajut lang. Antira samay. Oh, kajut lang, kajut lang, kajut lang. Wala na kayo sa Sophia.
Ah, yan. Yay. Ito ganda punta. Ah. Ah. Perfect.
Wala na. Sophia got some this one. You enjoy, Pia?
It's so fun.
It's so fun.
Kain sa akin.
One.
One.
Sauna ko yan. Binigay na. Bawal man guro.
Ano ba ko? Paurot mo na ako. Yes.
Dili ka scared? Di man ni scary. Slowly raman ni. Yay! Bye-bye! Uy, kakusog ba di ayan? Oh my gulay!
Scared ka or dili?
Dili.
You like it? Yes. Tay na mahambog ka? Nalipang namatay. Nalipang na ka? Ako sad.
Tanaw lang sa camera, oh.
Nalipong ka, Sam. Sam, nalipong ka. You must stop.
Dili mo na natin. Stop. Hold ha, hold.
Ayun lang ang sipon kay mahambog.
Dili man ako magigunita.
Isa ka ba sa mahambog?
Awo.
Dali na sulod.
Dali na sulod.
Dali na sulod na.
She's scared for the phone. Hoy, nalipong ko. Uy.
Huwag mamuhan.
Hold
Gusto
food ha.
pa. Gusto pa.
Ano? Kira.
Yan.
Ay, ate!
Sila ka mo stop? Naabot ng Cebu. Naabot ng Cebu. You like it?
Nahuman ani gusto pagyapon ko.
Ha? No, oy, enough na. Okay, wala pa money. You enjoy, Pia? You like it?
No.
Why?
Hindi mo ko pa again.
Ba again? Ate, ba again daw siya? No, I'm busy naman. Uy, lipong na si Mami. Oh, wala mo. Sophia! Smile, Damien! Smile! Manana daw. Mana?
I want again.
You want again? Enough na, uy. Kiwa na tayo money. Tawag sa phone na.
Tanaw, sis, tanaw sa mo, sis. Tanaw sa pictures mo. Dali, Damien, face Damien. Smile, picture, smile.
Ana, 75. Dali pa.
Yung ako ramao.
If you guys enjoyed, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to click the notification bell to keep you updated. And thank you so much for the continued support. Bye everyone!